Hi everyone! Passion fruit isn't just for desserts. With a few extra ingredients, it transforms into a savory sauce that's wonderfully unique. Lightly tangy, mildly sweet, with a hint of saltiness and just enough richness to add depth to your dish. This sauce pairs beautifully with pan-seared salmon, grilled chicken breast, or fried shrimp, bringing a fresh twist and making the meal so much more exciting. Today, let's make a batch of silky smooth, flavorful passion fruit sauce with me. It's super versatile and perfect for elevating everyday family meals. Here's what you'll need. This recipe makes about 390 grams of sauce. First, give the passion fruits a good wash. Then cut them in half and scoop out the pulp. For 200 milliliters of juice, I used about 11 passion fruits, but that can vary depending on their size. To get the most juice out of them, I pulse the pulp in a blender, just lightly, using short bursts. That helps separate the seeds from the flesh without breaking the seeds too much, which makes it easier to strain later. Once you've blended it, pour it through a strainer to collect the juice. I like to add a few seeds back into the sauce for a decorative touch. Now let's cook the sauce. You'll find the full list of ingredients on the screen, but one ingredient I want to highlight is yellow mustard. It plays a key role in balancing the sweet and tangy flavors of the passion fruit and honey. It also adds color, gives the sauce a smoother texture, and helps eliminate any fishy smell, especially useful when pairing with salmon or shrimp. Next up is olive oil. It adds a glossy finish, improves consistency, and brings a light richness that helps balance the flavor while also extending the shelf life. And finally, the unsalted butter. This makes the sauce extra fragrant, adds a subtle creaminess, and gives it that beautiful shine without being too heavy. All right, let's get cooking. In a pan, add the passion fruit juice, sugar, honey, fish sauce, oyster sauce, yellow mustard, olive oil, and water. Stir everything together until well combined. Then place the pan over low heat. It's important to keep the heat low so the sauce doesn't split and stays nice and smooth. Once it starts to simmer, stir in the cornstarch slurry. This helps thicken the sauce slightly and gives it a lovely velvety texture. Let it cook for another minute, then add the butter. Stir until it's completely melted and incorporated, and then turn off the heat. Let the sauce cool, then pour it into a jar and store it in the fridge. The finished sauce is golden, glossy, and rich, with that distinctive sweet and tangy aroma of passion fruit. It's got just the right amount of depth and a flavor that's both refreshing and intriguing. You can add a little black pepper or chili when using it in dishes like chicken, fish, or shrimp. And just like that, you've got a jar of delicious passion fruit sauce ready to elevate your next meal. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.